Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share the polishes that Tammy from Mrs. K's Korner gave to me when she was here visiting. These were all dupes in her collection. And if you're not in the nail world and you don't know what that is, that means when we buy polishes that we already own. So I'm going to start with the mainstream stuff first. And I got a few that are like singles. So I'm going to pull those out. This one is Everglaze, and this will be the first time I personally have tried Everglaze. I need to give it a good shake. It looks like there's some shimmer in this one. It's called Breath of Fresh Air, and I'm really liking that. I've already swatch dotted all of them, and I'm just going to go ahead and let you all know now. I made a decision this weekend that I'm not going to do swatch sticks anymore. I'm going to put swatch dots on them, keep up with my collection in Excel. I'm done with the swatch stick madness. Now, if I swatch something for you all, I will do that on a swatch wheel. I am going to still buy swatch sticks so that I have them, but I'm not going to swatch my collection. It's gotten so out of hand, I don't know how to organize them. I don't care to organize them. I've got a huge bucket that I could put them in and divide them up, but I'm over it. So the next one I got from Miss Tammy is this beautiful Essie, and this one's called Mojito Madness. Now this sticker was on the top, but since I do swatch dots, and it wasn't written on the side label here, I went ahead and moved that sticker down to here, Mojito Madness. Now I'm not swatching these today because there's 40 of them and we'd be here forever. And this is a spoiled polish. I haven't seen these in the stores in a bunch of forevers. I think right now I only own one other spoiled, and this is called I Only Eat Salads, and it's a chartreuse green. This next one is a Sally Hansen Hard as Nails Extreme Wear, and I love these polishes. These are some of my jam right here. Now it's got the name on the top, but see, they put theirs on the back, and this is Garage Band. It's a grungy, like, charcoaly silver. The next we have is Finger Paints, and this is Chalk Talk. Beautiful off-white, kind of like a super light gray. Okay, so next I'm going to get into, like, it's twosies. She gave me two color clubs, and this is the unicorn, and this is the smiley face. I got little unicorns and smiley faces in there. This one here is called Grill. It's kind of a weird name. And then this one is called, G-R-I-L-L. I don't know what that means, so the girl's not with it. Now this one, I know what it means. Rolling on the floor, laughing. R-O-F-L. So, that makes sense because it's a smiley face. Swatch dotted them too. So, okay, and then she gave me two simple colors, and this is one of the limited time pastel neon mattes. This one's called Under the Influence. Beautiful shade of blue. I love that sky blue. This one's a glitter bomb. It's called Star Studded, and that needs a shake to get them little stars to moving. Stars on stars, y'all. It's gorgeous. Alright. So next we've got, go ahead and do China Glaze. This one is When Stars Collide. It's got the silver cap, so it's special somehow. Gorgeous. And I love these. She's given me one of these before. I don't know what shade it's in. It's not this color, but they're like all the ones I have are like nude, like perfect for French manicures. And this is Preserve in Pink. And it's just a super duper light pink. And then we've got one from the My Little Pony. And this one is Kill 'Em With Kindness. Next up we got this crazy purple. Y'all see that? I was stripped when I saw this. I was like, oh. And this is Purple Fiction. I am so in love with that. Color shift in there is crazy. Here's another pony one, and this one is called Cute Marks the Spot. That's so nice. Okay, next we have some of these Sally Hansen's. I love Sally Hansen polishes. Probably some of my most favorite. And I'm going to show this one first. I want y'all to see that's got scattered hollow in it. Now, this is what I'm talking about. They can do it. Mainstream can do it. This is a matte polish, but if you don't dig that, you just slap that glossy top coat on it, and you're good to go. These also had the name on top, but they also have them on the back. This one's called Burnished Wine. I want y'all to see that hollow. See? It can be done. Next is like one of my favorite shades of pink. I love these bluey, purple, shiny fuchsia. It'll jump out at you pinks. And this is called Flashy Fuchsia. Yes. My kind of color. This is another matte one. This one's called Rose Blush. Liking it. Then we've got this pink, or not pink, I got pink on the brain, y'all. It's Leapin' Lilac, which it does have a little bit of pink in it. That's what makes it lilac. And then we've got this beauty right here, and this is Go for Gold. Awesome. Alright, next into the OPIs. Now I've already worn this one. This one was a special one. She had this one pulled out separate. Look at that. This is my private jet. I have already worn it. Could not help myself. And then we have, I'm going to go ahead and do the ones with the, like, different colored caps. We've got two of the silver and one of the like bronzy lookings. These are the OPI Infinite Shines. This is Maintaining My Sand. Perfect color of sand. Make great beach manis. This next one is This Isn't Greenland. This crazy purple right here is Wanna Warp. No, Wanna Wrap. W-R-A-P. Wanna Wrap. Pretty, pretty. And this next purple, Viking in a Venta Wonderland. I have always wanted that one. That's so pretty. This next one's a stunner. Look at that. This one is called Give Me Space. Unreal. How pretty. OPI was my gateway polish into being a junkie, by the way. I've talked about it before. This one is Don't Bossa Nova Me Around. Another cult classic that I did not own. And here we go is My Vampire's Buff. Another one. I can't believe some of these in here. I just couldn't believe I didn't own them because they are crazy popular on the internet. This one is really, really unique. I mean, it's like a seashell pearl color. Humidity. I don't like the name of it because we're suffering from some humidity right down here. So, this one I can't wait to wear. This one reminds me of one of the polishes that got me into OPI. Hot and Spicy. Can't wait to wear this one. This one is a summer color. I'm so gotta wear that one. And the last OPI here is Dazzling Dewdrop. Golly, it's got silver in it too. It's gold, but it's got that silver, and I love when they do that. Okay, the next ones are all indies. And let me see. We're going to start with this one. Glisten and Glow. Under the K-pop Trees. Ooh, that's yummy. It's squishy looking. Now this one reminds me of coffee, but look, it's got a hollow in it. Y'all see it? Look. I love polishes like this that are just kind of, you look at them and you think, eh, but like when you wear them, you can wear them to work, and nobody's going to really see that except for you. This is Rendezvous. Oh, by Colorist to Carol. Sorry, y'all. It's been one of them days, and I get so excited about polish, I'd really get tongue twisted. Now I've already worn this one. In fact, it's what's on my nails. This is Cupcake Polish, and it's Heliconia. Insane. And then she gave me two different dimensions. This one I'm going to have to play with because I'm not sure if it's just a topper or if I can build it up. I mean, it looks pretty good on the swatch dot. It's called Cotton Candy. And, oh, let's see if I can get it up here. Y'all can see all that shift going on. That is so unusual. I love it. And then another crazy green. This one's a summer green in my opinion. And this is different dimensions. And it's called Midori Sours in the Monastery. Oh, so pretty. Alright, she gave me $2 polishes. This is such a deep green. It's got some little bits of something in it too. I'm hoping y'all can see that. Welcome to the Forks. I'm crazy in love. I can't wait for cooler temperatures. Okay, now this one you can't really see much on the swatch dot. It's a topper of some sort with some like crystal sugar, crystal flaky looking things in there. And I don't know what the deal is on this, but this is Little Miss Know-It-All. Okay, she gave me 3 pretty serious polishes, and this one's called Cloudburst. Now, I've heard rumor that Pretty Serious is coming back, like in October maybe or something. It's on their Facebook page or something. They might be rebranded, renamed or something, but it will be our beloved peoples. So there's Cloudburst. And then I bought most of this collection, like when they were marked down and doing those major sales, but I didn't get this one. It was sold out. And when I saw this in the bucket, I squealed like a little girl. Cutie patootie. I couldn't believe it. I was like, no way. So I think this completes my collection of that collection. I'm so excited. And then she gave me Presents, which is their white. Now this one has a purple dot on it. Now I owned Presents, and there were different versions of it. There were the one coater and then the not one coater. Both of them are excellent white polishes, but I'm believing this one is the for real one coater because I swatched it on the swatch dot and compared it to my other one. And so I think this one, I think the one with the dot might be the one coater. If you have this or you know anything about it, let me know down in the comments. Alright, we're down to the last 4. And here we go, KB Shimmer. Now, I'm going to let y'all know, my friend Miss Tammy, Mrs. K's Corner, is obsessed with KB Shimmer. She has got a bunch. And this is Scoots and Ladders. Look how sparkly pretty. Insane. This next one's like a lime green, and it's called Ready for a Good Lime. Love it. Like a bleached out neon. And then next we have this, like, I don't know what to call that, apricot? And this is For Fox's Sake. You know, the fox. We've got to get the fox. Okay, and the very last one today here in this KB Shimmer is Breaking Blues. And that's a blurple if I ever seen one. Camera's not showing the purpleness of it though. So that is my insane hand-me-overs, hand-me-ups, overstock lusciousness that my friend Miss Tammy gave me. I was so excited. And so that is it for this here video. I appreciate you dropping by and watching and enjoying my polishes with me. If you saw something you're really interested in, let me know. I'll try to break it out and use it very, very soon in a video. And Miss Tammy, I want to thank you so much for coming and hanging out with me on my birthday weekend and hooking me up with like an insane amount of polish. All beautiful. I love everything so much. And I love you guys so much. So that is it for me today. I want to thank you all for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.